The best way to get better at programming is to practice. And in this example, we're going to look at applying multiple interfaces to a class. As always, these files are available for download using a link provided below in the description. We'll give you a couple seconds to download it, and then you can follow along with us. All right, so let's get started. We have up here already a mammal class. We said that mammals, they can swim, they can also walk. Notice that we already implement swims by using the keyword implements. We cannot extend multiple classes, but a neat thing about Java is we can implement multiple interfaces. And it's very simple. I'm just going to come after swims, say comma, and walks. And that's all we have to do in order to implement multiple interfaces. In fact, notice that my mammal does not get any type of error. That's because the method that's assigned to walks is default. That means it already has a method body, so we don't have to create it here. Now we can override it if we want to in order to get something that's a little bit more specific to us. Remember that walks method is very generic, but we don't have to. And so you will sometimes find classes that are implementing 2, 3, 4 or more different interfaces. Because all you have to do is separate them out by a comma. So it's very simple, easy to use. Anything that's abstract, you of course are going to have to create inside of your class, but otherwise it's very easy and simple to implement multiple interfaces. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please give the video a like and consider subscribing so you can see more videos on how to get better at programming.